This is Keith Hamon. Now, some of you, especially the online students, seem a bit confused about how this class works. So I will try to explain over a couple of videos. The thing you need to know is that I use two online sites for each of my classes. The first site is Brightspace D2L, which is the official class portal of Middle Georgia State University. This is where you first connected to the class and where we exchanged emails so that I could be confident that you know how to use Brightspace. I use Brightspace to record your grades and attendance records, which are protected under federal law. You will track and discuss with me your grades and attendance only through Brightspace D2L. I don't use Brightspace for much else, though you will find your syllabus and some support materials there for download. I do not do quizzes and discussions or ask you to submit your essays through Brightspace as other MGA professors do. Rather, I use Google Sites to build our class wiki. All of your schedules, all of your readings, and all of your assignments are on the class wiki. The class wiki will connect you to a variety of Google tools. Forms for your assessments, docs for your essays, Blogger for your blog post, Calendar for your schedule, YouTube for training videos, and more. Google is always adding new tools, and I'm likely to try a new tool on short notice each new term just to see how it works out. So be prepared. In short, then, you track and discuss with me your grades and attendance through Brightspace D2L. You manage all your work and schedules through Google Sites, our class wiki. To successfully complete my courses, you must have access to both of these sites, and you must know how to use them. Practically speaking, you should expect to check Brightspace at least once a week. However, you should expect to use the various Google tools daily. So, why do I use Google Sites? First, I can help you with the technology. I have no administrative access to MGA's Brightspace portal. If you have a problem, then you have to visit tech support. They're nice people and quite knowledgeable, but they aren't focused on my classes as much as I am. Then, Google Tools work better online for sharing. I ask you to share your work, and sharing is much easier in Google Tools than in Brightspace or in Microsoft Office. The Google tools are built from the ground up for the net. I like that. Then, Google tools look and work better than Brightspace, which I and many of my students find to be rather clunky. Google knows how to work on the net and do it elegantly. D2L seems to still be learning, and not learning very quickly, frankly. Finally, Google is open to the net and to you. What you produce in Google is yours to keep. What you produce in D2L is locked away, and when the class is over, you're locked out. D2L is a closed system, which is why I use it to keep your grades and attendance records. But your classwork should be open, especially open to you. It belongs to you, and Google lets you keep it. To access MGA's Brightspace portal, open any web browser except Internet Explorer and enter www.mga.edu/D2L/. It'll take you right there. But you should bookmark that because you're going to use it a lot. To access the class wiki, open the Google Chrome web browser. It really works best. And enter sites www.google.com/view/Hamon ENGL 1101 or 1102 or 2111 or 1101A, whatever your class number is. The class wiki addresses are all the same save for the final number, which corresponds to whatever class you're in. Again, you should bookmark this address so that you can easily get to it. Remember, you're going to use this resource almost every day for the entire term. Thanks for listening. I hope this helped, and I'll see you on the net. And again, if you have any questions, contact me. You have my info.